Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better.
I've been around the rap world and getting saucy on them C's like a pizza pop. I'm like that Billy Goat Gruff on a mountain cliff. I get crazy and eccentric for some snares and riffs. SOS is about to cause catastrophe, and I don't really see nobody rhyming after we coming from where the sun first shines. So keep in mind that I'm rhyming on Eastern time. My main objectives get you open like a nasal passage. Inhale, exhale, and you'll experience my style's galactic. Now tantamount for paramount. You passed the course of quantum physics and you still can't count. We got 2 MCs and 1 DJ. SOS found day, this is how we sway. We got the hefty, not wimpy. Ideas are never empty. If I didn't freak this AOB to slave a track for empty. So Mr. Record Label man with the market plan, taken from a local MC and an avid fan. Hip hop is serious to us like the pilgrimage. At least the SOS, because we never bridge.
Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better.
SOS would never sell. That's word on my front seat to hell, but others do. No need for names, y'all know who is who. I'm new, but I'm true blue. I refuse to cross the B Street. I pack shows, I pack hoes, I play Pac-Man, I pack heat. I'm leaving suckers holy like a Bible wrote parolee. Some corny dudes have scored, but that trend is dying slowly. No more whack rapping and different image grabbed in your garbage, accept it. Everybody's laughing at you, not with you. That crap is gonna get you rushed and hushed by real artists with real stuff. I twist nouns and verbs, plus shit on hers when I'm zoning. I can go fast or slow and still come up like when I'm moaning. From love bug to plug, you need a Nike on your spinal cord, cause your ass and your lifestyle's vaginal. I'll find you, and if your stuff ain't coming from the heart, send a bite time bag it, I'll tear your soul apart. You whacked out A&R whore, you're lucky rap in jail, cause you be getting fucked up the ass for sure.
Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better.
Just imagine 1 million souls.
But if we had to cross the road, then SOS would rather be gold. This rapping shit is more than money, suckers. If I ain't have common sense, I swear I murder all you faggot motherfuckers. For making folks believe, perceive the rap was that way. The whack we not the fat way. The real right and exact way. My mic's cocked and I'm gunning for lanes. I'll die for rap. If it's real rap, do you feel the same?
See, I be rolling with the dread and the fat man too. Getting slick on them C's like I'm Catman too. Record labels burning suckers like the local hoes. Glitter shoes on your toes and you strike a pose. Only 10% skill in the way of the will. If your brain can't build, then it's all downhill. Hip hop is serious to us like the pilgrimage. At least the SOS, because we never bridge.
Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over, but they don't know no better. Niggas crossing over. Niggas crossing over. Niggas crossing over.